What's up guys, it's Jacob here. Welcome to the official Visidea tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to integrate your WordPress with WooCommerce website with Visidea. Open your WordPress store admin. Click on Plugins, Add New in the left bar. Search for Visidea. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. Click on Visidea on the left menu. Click on Integrate with Visidea button. Choose the category of your products and click Connect. And that's it. In a couple of hours, the recommendations will be displayed on your website. You can configure where and what recommendations you want to display, but this topic is covered in another video. Thanks for watching.